Sam,
Yes, Josh?
I just wanted to say,
What?
it really means a lot to me that everyone came back this year, and, that you came, Sam.
Josh, we're here for you. Really, whatever you need, whenever, we're gonna make it through this. Together.
I want us to have a good time, Hey, watch your step.
I think I can handle a little set of stairs.
Mm-hmm. Sorry to drag you down into the bowels.
Just give me some hot water and I'll be super fine.
I mean, I wouldn't want you coming down here on your own,
Well, it's definitely creepy down here.
Yep. Not a place to be on your own.
It'd be pretty rough to play baseball in all that snow.
No, it wasn't in the winter, silly. I mean, we'd come up here in the summer and we would have the best time. The whole family was there. Mom, Dad, my sisters. It was some serious competition out there in the big lawn. I don't know. Can't go back. New reality. Right, Sam? Anyway, I'm supposed to be fixing this old guy, right? Here, can you hold this?
What was that?
What was what? Shine it here so I can see what I'm doing. Nice one. Okay, first things first, we gotta increase the water pressure before we get the boiler fired up.
It sounds kind of complicated.
No, it's actually pretty simple.
What?
That's more like it. All right. 5, girl.
Whoa.
Yeah.
What the hell was that?
That could be a lot of things. And none of them nice.
Quit it.
I'm just joshing ya. You were really freaked out.
Oh my god. Don't move.
What?
There's something behind you.
Yeah, right.
Josh. Seriously. There's something behind you. I gotcha.
All right, your point.
30 points.
What? No. Where'd you get the first point?
It doesn't start at 30?
No, 15.
Ah, well, I'm more of a ping pong gal. Wait, okay, so you hear that too, right? Josh.
What?
The rhythm's like weirdly regular.
Nothing regular about it.
I'm gonna go check it out.
What? Why?
Why do you care, Fraidy Face?
No, it's probably just like not anything.
Ah, well, you hold down the floor and I'll go make sure.
Okay, whatever you say, madam.